Hello, this is Jason, and this is another beautiful day here in Canggu, Bali. It's 88 degrees, sunny day, no clouds in the sky. Look at the sky there. Nothing but sun. Nothing but sun. So, I'm gonna walk to get something to eat. It's 2:09 p.m. and I've not eaten anything yet today. So I'm gonna go get some Indonesian food at this place that I ate actually yesterday and I didn't make a video. So today I'm gonna show it to you because it was very affordable eating. It was like $4.50 for this big plate of food. So we're gonna go get some of that. Let's check it out. And I'm gonna put you on my chest and we'll go for a walk. And also I brought the drone. So we'll go to the beach and fly the drone. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Alright, we made it. It's called Warung. And here's the line. Yeah. Are you able to heat the food up?
Sorry?
Are you able to heat the food up?
You just have it to buy.
Like yesterday I got it and like the eggs were cold and the chicken was cold. Can you make it warm? Okay. Alright. I'll do 2 eggs.
Yes?
What?
You want it rice? Rice?
Yeah, let me see. Is there only one kind of rice?
No. I have one yellow brown rice.
I'll do white rice. Yeah. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Potatoes. And do this chicken. Do this sweet and sour chicken. The green beans and carrots. The green beans. Yeah. And fried noodles. And this corn. That's good. Alright, here we go. Look at this big old plate of food. Tons of food. And it was, I think it was cheaper than what I had yesterday. It was $4.23. Take another picture. I asked them if they could heat it up because yesterday was cold. They said it's not cold. Try the egg. Egg is cold. one's cold. Green beans and the rice are not. One's cold. Lied to me. Lied. It tastes good. It's prefer my food warm. $4.23. Ain't paying that much. It's a lot of food. Do the last bite. I do wish they could take your whole plate and just throw it in a wok. Heat it up. Or a microwave. I don't think they have a microwave. Alright. Now it's time for dessert. I'm gonna get a cream and crumble cookie and ice cream. Delicious. Thank you. Crumble place is right next door, next to the Brothers Burgers. Or Burger Brothers. And I've had the Choco Chunky and the Snowy Bliss. Hello. Good. Today I'm going to try the Snickers with ice cream. Yeah. Yeah. No thanks. This is $4.52. It's more than the big meal I had, but it's delicious. And all the cookies are hot. Thank you. There we go. Looks delicious. This is their same owners, both of these places. Shade. Alright. Little strawberries on it. Where this cookie ranks. Pretty much tastes like the chocolate chip ones. I think the white cookie that I showed you is the best one so far. And this one has a peanut buttery gooey insides. Well, chocolate chip cookie had a chocolate insides. Alright, let's go to the beach. clothes over there, drying in the sun. Wash them in the sink. Easy peasy. Living the life of a traveler. I enjoy it though. I don't know how long I'll enjoy it. I'm enjoying it now. I traveled for 10 years when I worked for my uncle. Staying in hotels, and I was staying in some like of the most undesirable places to live in the United States, because we were getting contracts that were for low-income school districts that got like government technology money grants. So that's all the schools that we worked at. So it was like Muskegon, Michigan, Monroe, Michigan, Salina, Kansas, Greenville, Indiana, or Greencastle, Indiana, Nunde, New York, Jamestown, New York, Hillsville, Virginia, Salina, Kansas. I'm not sure if I named that one yet. Lee Summit, Missouri. Did a job at San Antonio at an Air Force base. That wasn't from low-income school money. It was, I don't know where that one came from. It was Randolph Air Force Base. We pulled all the cable in there and put in a voice, video, and data system. Pretty cool. So, I've traveled for 10 years. Not constantly, which is a difference. You know, I would be home and have a home and be there for half the year and be in hotels the other half of the year. So breaking it up and being able to have a home to come to did make a difference. So I think eventually I will have a home base that I can always come back to and have some stuff more than what I can have in a suitcase and a backpack. So we'll see where that'll be. I don't know. Right now the leading contender is Bangkok. So we'll see if that changes as my travels go along. Alright, well, that's all I got for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Take it easy. Don't even think about it.